If you wonder how to ask your viewers to subscribe your channel, here you have 10 creative ideas to do so. Baby, show me your love. This channel is on fire. Subscribe to not miss any of the new videos. Subscribe for a cookie. I'm going to make a new video even better than this one, and you just smash this red button. This journey is just starting, and for you is just one subscription away. Subscribe, I get you to Disneyland.
Going to Disneyland. I'll get you a ticket.
Oh shoot, no, wait. Mr. Beast!
Well, you know what to do. You better subscribe or I hack your device. Don't free the ghost. Come on, guys, if you subscribe, I send you some energetic superpowers. Now, just use your creative powers to get more subscribers. And do not forget to enjoy the coffee.